Does GoDaddy work in China? Yes, GoDaddy operates globally, and its services are available in China. However, there are important considerations and limitations due to China's internet regulations and the Great Firewall. Here's what you need to know. 1. Domain registration. Availability in China. GoDaddy allows users in China to register and manage domains without issues. ICP license requirement. To host a website accessible within China, the Chinese government requires an Internet Content Provider (ICP) license. GoDaddy does not directly assist with obtaining an ICP license, so users need to manage this independently if hosting within China. Second, hosting services. Hosting with GoDaddy outside of China. GoDaddy hosting services work globally, but websites hosted outside China may face slower load times due to the Great Firewall. Hosting within China. GoDaddy does not have servers located in mainland China. For better performance and compliance, users may need to consider local Chinese hosting providers. Alibaba Cloud. Third, website access. Global hosting impact. Websites hosted with GoDaddy may be accessible from China, but performance can vary based on internet speed and regulations. Content restrictions. Websites hosted outside of China are subject to scrutiny by the Great Firewall. Certain types of content may be blocked or filtered. Fourth, email services. GoDaddy email in China. Email services provided by GoDaddy, Microsoft 365, generally work in China, but performance may be affected depending on local network conditions. 5. SSL Certificates. SSL compatibility. GoDaddy provides SSL certificates for securing websites, which are recognized in China.